In the age of war without warriors, machines have become the new kings of the battlefield. From the deserts of the Middle East to the icy skies over Eastern Europe, these drones are rewriting the rules of combat. This is the 2025 countdown of the top 5 deadliest drones in the world. Number 5. Bayraktar Kızılelma. Turkey's Kızılelma isn't just a drone, it's a revolution. Built for supersonic speeds and stealth operations, this unmanned dot fighter has the brains of Al and the bite of a Bret, a predator. Capable of takeoff from naval dot carriers and dogfighting manned jets, the Kızılelma signals a new era in drone dot warfare. Number 4. Elbit Hermes 900 Starliner. Developed in Israel, the Hermes 900 and Starliner is a silent killer with unmatched .ISR capabilities. Operating for over 36 knot hours non-stop, it scans, targets, and strikes with surgical precision. In Gaza and Syria, it's already changed the outcome of multiple operations. Number 3. CH-7 Rainbow. China's CH-7 is built to rival America's stealth drones with a flying wing design and radar evading capabilities. Its mission: penetrate deep into enemy territory, strike vital targets, and vanish into the clouds. The CH-7 is China's message to the world. We're not just catching up, we're leading. Number 2. MQ-9B Sky Guardian. The MQ-9B Sky Guardian is not just a drone, it's an airborne fortress, controlled by satellite, equipped with DOS Hellfire missiles, and operational in any weather, day or night. It's the go-to drone for NATO and the backbone of America's drone dominance. Number 1. RQ-180 Sentinel. Classified, shadowy, lethal. The RQ-180. Sentinel is America's most mysterious drone. Designed for ultra-stealth operations, it flies at high altitudes, beyond the reach of enemy radars. It doesn't make headlines, it makes history. Many believe it's already patrolling the skies over hostile territories, invisible and invincible. Bonus: Russia's Okhotnik B. Russia's Hunter B is a flying tank built to escort Su-57s into hostile territory. It's heavy, fast, and deadly. If rumors are true, the Okhotnik B could deploy nukes in the future, making it the most controversial drone on this list. These drones are no longer tools. They are warriors of a new age. Autonomous, intelligent, and unforgiving. As the sky becomes the new front line, one question remains. Are we ready for a world where machines decide who lives and who doesn't?